Want to make some delicious jerk chicken in your air fryer? Check this out. First, brine your chicken. You can brine it whole, simple poultry rub, garlic, allspice, scallions, salt, and a little brown sugar. Let that rest overnight. Make sure it's submerged. Get all that flavor in there. After you rinse it off, you want to rest it in the refrigerator to dry. And then you can spatchcock your chicken. Now you want to coat everywhere with oil. I poke holes in my chicken to make sure that flavor gets all the way in there. And dust it with your booyah all over. The oil will keep it from drying out. Give it a generous coat of the booyah dry rub from Allspice. Air fry, breast down for 40 minutes, then flip over to breast up for another 20 minutes. Check the breast and all the other spots, make sure they are cooked. 165 internal, and voila, delicious jerk chicken, courtesy of Allspice.